Meet Mr. Joseph, the owner of a reputable automotive industry. He needed to create some parts with intricate designs with exact specifications. So, he decided to hire professional CNC machining services from a reputed CNC machining company. While searching on Google, he came across the site of Createproto Rapid System Limited. After reading about their services and positive feedback, Mr. Joseph hired a service from them. They evaluated the project design and offered the best possible DFM feedback within a few hours. Their expert team took care of the entire process, ensuring transparency and accuracy. Mr. Joseph was overjoyed to receive such exceptional services from them. So, like him, are you also looking for a renowned CNC machining company? Browse createproto.com or call +86180 253 29092 to know in detail.